Aloha, it's Gina from WTI, and I want to tell you about the most comfortable pair of slippers or flip-flops that I have ever owned. So I grew up in Hawaii, and the Scott brand is well known for their high quality products and durability. This was always like the gold standard of slippers. I picked up a pair of these Mele slippers, and I just love the quality of them and the comfort. So sometimes flip-flops can give me blisters in between my toes, but these are made with microfiber, so they're super comfortable, and I love the arch support. I have weak ankles, and this really helps to keep my feet from hurting when I'm walking. There's a nice thick sole on the bottom, so they can withstand walking through gravel or pebbles or something else that could possibly take gouges out of the soles. And there's also a super cute little flower on the strap, and I just love that gives you that little hint of Hawaii. You can't go wrong with a pair of Scott Hawaii slippers. They are the best. I absolutely love this pair that I have, and that's my point of view.